Time now for another Wellness Minute with Dr. Erica Steele from Holistic Family Practice in Virginia Beach.
Having your regular checkups now are really important so that you can be proactive instead of reactive with your health. Now more than ever, it's vital that you take full responsibility for your health because disease doesn't just happen, and neither does health. It happens consistently, deliberately, over an extended period of time. Making sure that you go to your annual checkups where they'll do routine lab work as well as diagnostics allow for you to see your overall health and well-being in real time. Doing that every single year helps to see trends over time so that you're able to stay proactive with your health instead of reactive. Also, having your routine diagnostics such as colonoscopies and mammograms in their schedules is really also important to be preventative for disease process formation. The other thing that's really important is to look at your vital signs and make sure that you're checking your height, your weight, and your blood pressure to make sure your metabolic health is in order. And being proactive with your health by getting your routine health checkups is really important to be able to know wholeheartedly how your health is operating.